afternoon and welcome as our guests are getting settled. My name is Dr. Keisha Williams-Smith. I am an associate professor here in the Department of Accounting and Finance, but today the hat that I have on is that I'm the director of the Center for Accounting Diversity, and we have a fantastic event planned for you. Today, we're going to talk about financial literacy for life. And so Holly Reid has come back to her alma mater to talk about financial literacy because she's also a CPA, just like I. And so we can tell you that great things come out of this auditorium. We have been in this auditorium and many times, and so we're excited that she has come back. But what Holly really did for us was to partner with the RSM Foundation. So that's why you're going to get a chance to enjoy some activities later today, hear from individuals from RSM, and because they really want to empower you as young professionals, young college students to really manage well and have great financial literacy.
I am about to bring on some dynamic professionals from RSM. Let me tell you, RSM is a mid-market accounting firm. They not only do accounting, but tax, consulting, IT, and so we have found a variety of superstars right in their organization, all in their Charlotte office. So they have driven up from Charlotte just to speak to you guys today. And we're going to have a brief conversation just about the field of accounting, the very things that you can do with an accounting degree, but more importantly, hearing it from real individuals, right?
But we'll find you somewhere to go. And I love that thought, that culture, that's there. And there's so many opportunities there.
To not think about our future self, right? To consumer, never be an owner, right? And I was doing all those things. And let me tell you what happened. The dot-com bubble burst. And simply what that means is the economy tanked. The public accounting firm I was working for started losing clients left and right. And guess what? Little Miss Epitome of Success lost her job. Where I couldn't believe it because I wasn't prepared. And in that conversation, I had to humble myself to go and tell my parents that I had just lost my job, y'all. And that was a tough conversation. Because let me tell you, one thing you don't want to do, many of us don't want to do, is disappoint our parents. And so luckily, they welcomed me with open arms, right? They were like, don't worry about it. We gonna help you out. And so I got back on my bike, right? Got back on my bike. And so as I went on that journey, I managed to claw my way out of over $30,000 in debt. And once I became debt-free, it was like I started preaching the debt-free gospel.
First of all, can we give the illustrious sister here, Auntie Holly Reid, a round of applause? want to thank you for coming here today. You know, I didn't know what I was going to do after college with debt and everything. And when you talked about it, it really had me thinking about it. I could do this. Like, I can go to school. I might have debt, but I'm definitely going to be able to be successful in the future. Absolutely. You can absolutely pay it off. Even go be debt-free, like graduate debt-free. That's the goal. So hopefully the tools that I gave you today will help you to achieve that goal. No, for sure. I really took anything.
I really want to thank you because you really showed and explained and really drove into our head, and that we have options even now, even as us being really young, even those of us like myself that are underage and haven't turned 18 yet, that, you know, we don't have to worry about our retirement later in life, that we need to start not necessarily worrying about it, but making sure we're taken care of when we're older, showing us that, you know, it's not something that you worry about when you turn 40 and all of a sudden you start panicking. It's something that you slowly build up over time, so that when you do hit that age, you're like, oh, well, I'm already all saved up. You know, I could start saving up for for the other people in my life. It's just that we really have a lot of options even now as college students, just trying to get by, you know, that we can really do it.
And you can. You are absolutely right. So one of the biggest things about your generation is you have so much access. The key is just knowing what it is, like being educated on what's available and then taking action. So not only the knowledge, but taking action on the things that we talked about today. So I'm so glad you got something out of this.
Dr. Reid, I just want to tell you that I appreciate you for giving us a first-hand account on your struggles first before you actually advise us on what to do. It just made me feel so much more comfortable and just more confident about like my future financially, just my success in my career, and just as a minority, as a Black woman. So I just want to thank you so much.
Oh, you are so welcome. Listen, I have been there, done that, and you guys can do it far faster than I did, all right? So group up. Hi, my name is Holly Reid, tutor with the Master Playbook, and today I had a phenomenal experience talking to the students of North Carolina Agricultural and Technical State University. We talked about financial literacy for life. We not only introduced them to the varied options they have with an accounting degree, but we also dove into what are the smart money moves that they can start doing right now while they are in college. Let me tell you, the students were engaged, they were attentive, they were giving me feedback, I felt all the love, and not only that, I spoke to several students who shared with me the one action that they were going to take as a result of our conversation today. I could not have asked for anything better. I'm so thankful and grateful for our partners today. We partnered with the Center for Diversity in Accounting here at North Carolina A&T, and we also partnered with the RSM Foundation, who helped make this program possible. So thank you, thank you, thank you.
Good evening. My name is Deshaun Chester. I am a Technology Risk Consulting Manager with RSM. Just finished an amazing session with Ms. Holly Reid and some of my counterparts, talking to some fellow Aggies. Well, not even fellow, but I feel like it's home to me. I actually am a Trojan from Virginia State University, but this was an amazing session on financial literacy. Very impactful, very vocal students, great group that we were able to talk to about just our personal experiences within accounting, finance, IT, consulting, and things that they can do and look forward to with their education. Definitely looking forward to staying connected with these students and seeing them grow in their futures as well as they are looking to pursue their careers.
My name is Dr. Keisha Williams-Smith, and I'm the director for the Center for Accounting Diversity. And it was my absolute pleasure to partner with the Master Playbook, with Holly Reid, and the RSM Foundation for the Financial Literacy for Life event. I don't even have the words to articulate how excited I am that students were able to come to this event and learn about how they can be more fiscally sound in their college years. We really think sometimes about accounting, and we don't really think about its relevance at this point of their career, but it actually is. Accounting is the language of business and actually the language of personal business, and that's the intersection with financial literacy. I think the students walked away with some tangible things that they can actually include in their life and how they can not have too much credit card debt, how they can increase their monies, and how they can really find some money. So hopefully this is an event that not only invested in them today, but really in the years to come. So I'm very excited that we were able to have Holly Reid, an Aggie alum, come back. And as an Aggie alum, I'm excited to see this being paid forward to the next generation of A&T students.